Good morning. It's July 18th on a Monday, back to work. And today we're going to go back to our landscaping project in Wyndham. And it'll be just me and Nick. And then Kat will be in shortly after that. Yeah. Busy day. Enjoyed my vacation. Now I'm back to work. It was a great vacation we had, and I enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. So now we gotta get some work done. This morning I gotta get payroll sent in. Get that figured out, so I'm gonna do that quick. Morning. Morning. How's it going? Alright.
Fucking have to hold my time card from last week.
Should be the same as Jordan. Alright, let's head out.
Yeah, that sawzall worked good for cutting that.
Cutting that?
Off.
Okay.
I just went to Runnings and grabbed 2 blades.
Cool. Nice morning. Not sure how long it's gonna be nice, but we'll take it. Okay, I will take the dumpy. Okay. I need this guy.
Maybe.
We are gonna load up these blocks, these pavers. We're gonna take them with today. Let's head out. $37 gallons. We are here on location. Washed away our sand a little bit. Oh geez. Okay. Yeah, I think that should be good. There, and then this guy, we should be able to, we got a half. Perfect, right up there. Okay. Awesome, awesome. installing the pavers now. Again. Alright. We are getting there.
What's up?
Morning.
Wasn't bad. I went twice this weekend.
Did we win?
No. We lost all 3 games.
Yeah, we did not do good against her. It was the Rangers, right?
No, it was the Indians.
Indians, yeah.
Where's Jordan?
And we fired him.
He did.
Yeah.
Okay, Kat. I'll have you fill up them blocks with P-Rock.
Okay.
Right back in that pile there.
Right there. You did not fire him.
Huh? Yeah.
Work suspension. When you're at home.
Glad we did that, because otherwise we'd have been working till 6:30.
Looks like we're getting somewhere.
Yeah,
Don't you think?
I pretty much got this unloaded.
Alright, so here's what we got. Look at that. That's neat. So, doing pretty good. It's lunchtime.
Gosh, I miss being blonde.
What's that?
You have to start your own.
I said I miss being blonde.
There's Kat. There's Nick. Jordan's on suspension. Just got done with the lunch.
Longest subway trip I've ever had in my life.
Right? How's your Subway, Kat?
Good. Antibiotic free.
Antibiotic free?
Chicken raised
What's that mean?
raised without antibiotics, yeah.
Oh man.
Straight up chicken.
Straight up chicken, no chemical.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're heading back and yeah, lay down them pavers. And we are back. So, pavers today. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, we got the wall started there. Only thing we got left is caps on these. We should be good. Yeah. Didn't realize that we were short a pallet of blocks for our pavers. We've got enough to get going, but that's a pallet. That's almost, yeah, almost 1,000 blocks or 1,000 pavers. So I gotta go see what's going on. It's almost 8:30 p.m. and yeah, I got the material, got that all figured out. They shorted us two pallets, so about 1,400 pavers. They'll be delivering that to us tomorrow. I should have, on my part, I should have checked and counted, but we never had any problems before, so we all make mistakes, right? I got my niece down here helping cleaning out the filters in the laundromat. That needs to get cleaned. And yeah, it's about 8:30 and then it's got to get vacuumed yet. Whew. Lint. A lot of lint. Find more gold? This is what she finds when you clean the laundromat. Money. Found almost 18 bucks already?
It's like 20
Jeez.
quarters too.
It's all yours. I really appreciate the people that spend they give 15 minutes out of their life to watch my daily vlogs and my 10 to 15 minutes of life that I put into these videos, and I really appreciate that. And the channel's just been growing fast. I think beginning of July I was only at 1,000 subscribers. Second to the 26th of August we hit 1,000 or 1,000 subscribers, and now it's the 18th and we have like 1,926 subscribers, or 28, maybe somewhere around there. Here, let's check it. We are at 1,926 right there, subscribers. It's amazing how fast this channel has grown. And yes, it takes a lot of work to vlog. As many of you know it that do vlog or that are starting up to vlog, it takes about two hours to edit, 2 or 3 hours to edit, and upload, and for me to schedule that. So every night I go home and I'm up until 12:30, if not 1 o'clock in the morning, working on the vlogs. My life. And this is what I do every day. Every day. And I love it. So, thank you. And look at, I had to get some more exterior hard drive for my vlogs. Here, check this out. Look at this. I got 2 of these. So, 5 terabyte and 5 terabyte. That makes 10. So, just need more room for videos. And I really take this serious, my vlogs. I enjoy making them. And it's helped me as an individual to really feel comfortable with who I am and what I do today. It's more than just recording videos on a camera. It's really about inside here. It helps. So, I'm no longer camera shy, as you can see. I will carry this big honking thing into public and not be embarrassed. Or I still do wonder what people think. You know, what they think I'm doing. So, yeah, I guess I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. We'll keep continue growing, hopefully. So, yeah, give it a thumbs up, share the video, help spread the word.